How's it going, everybody? Shawn Pila here with the Farmstead, and today we are at the GoFarm Hawai'i campus on the east side of the Big Island. They have an amazing piece of property here and an awesome beginning farmer training program. So today we're going to be showing you folks how to harvest and process Hawaiian sugarcane. Check it out. So first step is finding the right stalk to cut, and these are all in different stages. As you can see here, this little guy, we got a little cakey offshoot coming out, a little baby plant. You know, definitely don't want to cut this one. This is going to be a little while until it's ready, and we want to look at the nodes. These little knuckles here are called the nodes, and the in between is the inner node. And we want it nice and thick and long. So this guy here looks still a little skinny and a little younger. This guy here looks nice and thick, but it's still a pretty young plant. So I'm gonna let him grow a bit longer. But this guy right here looks about right. So this is the black sugarcane. It's a Hawaiian variety. There's over 5 dozen different Hawaiian varieties, and this one is one of my favorites. A lot softer meat, a lot sweeter, and yeah, this guy looks pretty good. So now that we located the one that we want, we're gonna cut this guy pretty low. I like to go as low as I can. Nice strike right at the bottom here. Sweet. So if you want to come and take a look, I'll point out a few things here. You see these little guys? These are little buds. They're coming out of the nodes, these little knuckles here. And that is going to eventually turn into a branch, which will eventually turn into another little tree. So what we're going to do is we're going to take whatever we want, and some of the taller pieces, you know, we can cut these in pieces, lay them down horizontally, and eventually these will grow into another sugarcane plant. So next step, I'm gonna cut this, you know, maybe 3 feet, just enough for me to work with. And then from here, we're gonna skin it. You know, I'm not using any major tools, just a machete, and we're not gonna run this through a juicer. We're just gonna skin it. We'll cut it into little carrot sticks, and just eat it from there. You know, we'll try to keep it as raw and easy as possible. So the buds are growing up. When I skin it, I want to skin it in the opposite direction. So I'm going against the grain here. Normally I'd want a bigger machete. I prefer the one with the bigger head here. It's just more weight. But I've got this little guy here. So what I'm going to do, right at the bud there, or at the node, chop it in. I'm just gonna skin this guy all the way down. All right, so I don't like to skin the whole thing because I like a little bit of stuff to work with here, so I'm not grabbing onto the raw sugarcane. But next step is to cut each section off of the node or the knuckle. Got a little wooden cutting board here. I'm gonna start by cutting off all the dirty stuff. All right, cut this next guy off. That's good enough for now. Okay, so I've cut all the knuckles off the edge, and now this is the piece that we're gonna keep and the piece that we're gonna eat. Cut this guy down the middle. And then I'm gonna make little carrot sticks. All right, there we go. Got some little sugar cane sticks here. You don't want to swallow the whole thing. You're going to use your back teeth. You're going to bite on it, suck out all the juice, and you'll spit out the rinds when you're done. Really good stuff, and enjoy.